Hello, second grade scholars. Today is Monday, May 11th, 2020. This is mini lesson number 30. We've been focusing on understanding different nonfiction text structures and how understanding text structures can help you as a reader. Today is our second day studying compare and contrast. Your learning target for today is I can study the structure of a nonfiction text. Writers use the compare and contrast text structure when they want you to understand how people, things, or ideas are alike and also how they can be different. To compare means to tell how things are the same or alike. To contrast means to tell how things are different. Writers also use different signal words to give you clues that help you compare and contrast. Some examples of signal words for comparing: both, to, like, and also. And you'll note that this to with a double O, different from just TO. I like that too, for example. And some signal words for contrasting include but, only, unlike, and different. When we read a compare and contrast nonfiction text, we have to try to keep the ideas straight in our mind about ways things are similar and ways that they are different. Paying close attention to those signal words can help us remember. Go ahead and open up your packet to the Monday section and turn to our text for today. Today, our passage is called Turtles and Tortoises. And similar to our passage from Friday, it tells us what we are comparing and contrasting. We are comparing and contrasting tortoises and turtles. So we need to be paying close attention to those details that tell us how these animals are similar and how they are different. Don't forget to listen to those signal words, and you can even put boxes around them in this text too. That will help you identify if each sentence or paragraph is about ways that they're similar or ways that they are different. Turtles and tortoises. Many people think tortoises are the same as other turtles. They are not. While all tortoises are turtles, not all turtles are tortoises. All turtles are reptiles. They have hard shells and lay eggs. However, tortoises are different from other turtles. Tortoises live only on land. They have thick legs in front and back. Other turtles live on land and in water. They have webbed feet or flippers. Webbed feet or flippers help them swim and live in water. Finally, most tortoises eat only plants. Other turtles eat plants, animals, and insects. What other differences can you find? While I was reading this text, I noticed a few things about how the writer organized the information. In some parts, the author started by sharing a fact about tortoises and then described how other turtles are either similar or different. Make sure you're looking closely for those signal words. See if you can find words like same or different, but, or any of those signal words that we've talked about. On this page, we are going to use our Venn diagram to record information that will help us write a paragraph. In this top bubble, above the dotted line, you're going to record 2 ways that tortoises are different. On the bottom, you're going to record 2 ways that other turtles are different from tortoises. In the middle, record 1 detail about how tortoises and other turtles are the same or similar. Then you'll use those details to write a paragraph. So if you have 2 details about tortoises, 2 details about turtles, and 1 detail about how they're the same, your paragraph can be at least 5 sentences long. Go ahead and pause the video to complete this work. When you're ready to press play, we'll go over the directions for the next assignment in the packet. Instead of marking up the text today, we've got a checklist that we're going to use to keep track of the character's actions in the story, The Accident. After you read the story, The Accident, you're going to use this list to keep track of the details. So you're listening for details about Kendra, Lacey, and both of them. If it's something that's true only for Kendra, you're going to draw a smiley face in this column. If it's true only for Lacey, you'll draw a smiley face in this column. If it's true for both of them, you'll draw a smiley face in the both column. Look closely for those signal words to help you determine which events are true or which details are true for each character. And your last ELA assignment for today is your reading log. Read a nonfiction text and write what the text is mostly about.